6 organic pest control methods, 1 backyard infestation, and the cheapest one had, by far, 1.
Same aphid infestation, 6 different sprays and tactics. I tracked cost, pest reduction, and damage to good bugs.
Method 1, chemical pesticide. It killed the aphids in 20 minutes. It also killed the ladybugs and bees. Hard pass.
Method 2, neem oil. Works in 3 days. Doesn't hurt the good bugs. $14 a bottle. Pricey, but it works.
Method 3, soap spray. $2. Aphids drop fast, but spray on a sunny day and the leaves burn. Risky.
Pesticides kill the wrong things. The pest comes back. The predator doesn't. Here's why.
Method 5, actual ladybugs. You buy them, you release them, they eat aphids. Sounds perfect. There's one problem.
They eat their fill, then most of them fly to your neighbor's garden. $25 for a 1-week solution.
I got my ladybugs from Arbico Organics. They ship live. Code GROWLAB20 in the description gets you 20% off. Method 6, garlic pepper spray. 4 cloves, 2 hot peppers, water, blend, strain, 40 cents per batch. It doesn't kill anything. It tastes terrible to aphids. They leave. The ladybugs stay. The bees stay. Everyone wins. Final leaderboard. Garlic spray, neem, ladybugs, diatomaceous earth, soap, chemical at the bottom. Cheapest wins by a mile. Here's the secret. Killers wipe out your whole ecosystem. Deterrents just convince pests to leave. That's the real win.
4 cloves, 2 peppers, 1 quart of water, 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Blend, strain, spray weekly. Done.
The goal was never a sterile garden. The goal is a balanced one. Feed the soil. Trust the food web. Next Tuesday, how to read your soil for free. No test kit needed. Subscribe. And go watch the last test, link below.